In China, there's a farmer who doesn't know how to use the internet, but he knows how to build robots that can move and robots that can greet.
你好。
Who is this farmer? Why did he build these robots? And how did he end up as a university professor without education?
Yes!
When I was in China, I heard about the Iron Man of China, who taught himself how to make robots without going to college, high school, or middle school. I was so curious. I had to see him for myself.
Let's go. I'm gonna make a long video about China, bro.
So I got in a car with my friends, left Beijing, and arrived in this remote village where most people are poor farmers. It's a place where nobody speaks English.
别找我，挺难看的。
But after hours of searching, we found Wu.
大家好，我叫吴玉露，我是一个农民。
From the outside, Wu looks like just any old farmer. But if you step inside his home, you'll find dozens of robots made from really basic objects.
Look at that ping pong balls.
That can walk, talk, pour water.
Nice.
Write Chinese, and even carry him around like a taxi.
Yes!
These robots might look weird, but to this guy, they're like his children. He even named them after himself.
我叫它四脚怪。
All of this started 30 years ago when Wu was a young man. Because he was poor, he had to drop out of school. But he was obsessed with building robots, so he taught himself. Without using books, without using the internet, somehow Wu managed to create not just one or two, but 100 robots that can do 100 different things. All of this was not easy. One day, as he was building a new robot, his equipment caught on fire and burned down his house. His family had nowhere to live. His wife threatened to leave him. Wu had to take out more debt to rebuild the house. He thought of giving up, but at the end of the day, he couldn't abandon his children. And 30 years later, things improved and his love for robots paid off. He entered in a robot competition and won first place. And then he won another and another. The rest of China finally took notice. He got on the news, got paid for his robots, and got the recognition he deserved.
你好。你好。你好。Okay, we're good. That's some tough exercise right there.
After years of struggle, Wu paid back his debt and won back his wife's heart.
You're great. Bye-bye.
Now, he's no longer farming. He sells robots for a living and teaches online through the internet, which, by the way, he still doesn't know how to use.
我帮他上网的。
This Chinese Iron Man and his robot children are living proof that as long as you follow your passion to the very end, even if it's hard, even if the whole world turns their back on you, eventually you will succeed.
See you tomorrow.
Nice.
Hey everybody, thank you so much for watching Nas Daily. Nas means people in Arabic, humans. And we are on a mission to show you the stories of humans from all around the world. I'm actually very excited about the videos we're working on. So please follow us on Facebook and Instagram so that you don't miss a video. We think everybody in the world should watch them. Thank you and see you soon.